Hi guys, so we are going to Gaspe and meet Dhwani. Hi. Ashish. So Gaspe is the city at the east coast of Quebec province, and it's a very beautiful city, and it's like 10 hours journey from Montreal. So we are going there, and we'll definitely enjoy the view of the journey. So let's get started. Good morning guys. So we are on our way to go to Gaspe. So there is a long weekend in Quebec, and you can see the people and the weekend vibes here. So all are going to different places for their vacations, and we are going to Gaspe. And this is our team. Hi. Hello. And you can see the beautiful Montreal.
Let's go!
Hi guys, so we are at one of the stop at our journey to Gaspe, and till now the journey was beautiful, and it's the parallel to Saint Laurent River, and just one side mountain and the other side beautiful river and all. The view was awesome. We have started our journey at 7 o'clock in the morning, and right now it's 11:15, and we will reach to Gaspe in the evening. Till then, enjoy yourself. Hi guys, so we are at Rimouski City in Quebec, and we are staying here for an hour for our lunch, and then we'll going to Gaspe. So we'll reach to the Gaspe in the evening. So till enjoy, bye bye. Hi guys, so we had our lunch, and are going towards Gaspe now.
Friends, the main journey started now. Starting from here till we reach to the Gaspe, and in the Gaspe also, everywhere we can only find the Saint Laurent River and the Gulf of Saint Laurent and the mountains. Plus, we can find windmills also here. So, Gaspe trip is all about road trip on the coast of Saint Laurent.
Hi guys, so I hope you have enjoyed the beautiful view of Saint Laurent River along with windmills on the other side. So it was very beautiful view, and I really enjoyed the view. But the thing is, we are on the other side of the bus, so we couldn't take more pictures. But still, we enjoyed it a lot. And right now we are at one halt near Walmart. You can see Walmart over here. Hi guys! So there's so much wind over here. You guys can't hear me properly. So our group went for windmills, but we are here to enjoy the beautiful Saint Laurent River, and we are having good time, and we are capturing good photographs and videos. I hope you love this. guys, our beautiful day 1 is ended now, and we are at our hotel. You can see, and the madness is just started. गौर से देखिए इस चेहरे को। यही है वो चेहरे।
ना जीतेगा ये।
Okay, see what I have. जबरदस्ती।
Hello friends, this was my vlog on our Gaspe tour day 1. If you like my video, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel. My name is Zankhana Patel and thanks for watching.